Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. Bought at home. So I figured I've got the Nismo rear bumper and I just thought let's chuck it on and see if it fits and see if I have to buy anything before I fit it on. So if you guys haven't seen the rear bumper that I got, let me just go grab it and I'll show you guys. A genuine Nismo 2015 plus rear bumper. I'll show you guys a bit later, but it does have a crack in it. Yeah, I've got a workshop that does really good panel and paint. They give me a really good price to paint and repair this. I'm just going to see how it looks. I was going to save it until it's all ready and painted and everything's ready, but I figured I'm bored at home, so I'm so excited to see this one. I am so excited. I'll show you guys what the bumper looks like. I'll start with the good side. So this is an actual genuine 370Z Nismo rear bumper in pearl white. Pearl is crazy. Pearl white is so nice. And it sparkles. And even these sparkle as well. So nice, look at that. That's paint porn right there. Got a little mark here. I'm not sure if I can wash that off, but everything's all fine except there's this one crack here. Pretty sure the bumper is plastic, so the guys at the workshop said it'll be easy to fix. I think they're just gonna plastic weld it or something like that. It's gonna look so nice. Ever since I got the 370Z, I always wanted this Nismo rear bumper, only because it just looks super nice. I always wanted to pair that up with the Weber front. This literally only cost me $300 Australian dollars. Yes, it's secondhand, but it's a genuine part. I got quoted $450 to paint and repair, which altogether would be $750. Paint, repair, genuine Nismo bumper. That for $700. I'm not mad at all. I'll show you guys what you need to do to take off the rear bumper. It's not hard. It's really not hard. On a side note, after my alignment in the last video, my fitment has been looking so sexy. Super sexy. Also got a surprise for you guys later on in this video. I might have bought something that I was gonna say I was gonna buy the last video. If you guys haven't watched that video, go check out that video. I got this for my birthday and it's a, I've always needed this. It's a stubby impact gun. I'm super excited to use this. I haven't even opened it. I should use it. Oh yes, this is gonna make life so much easier. Love that noise as well. Let's get this bumper off. First thing you need to do is take off all of this. To get to the tail lights, we need to take the tail lights off. I haven't had a look, but I think there's like screws and bolts underneath, plus the rear fog light. Yeah, that's pretty much how to take it. 2-3 days ago, but I've been so busy I haven't opened it up or anything. But yeah, the package is here. I will unbox it probably tomorrow. Today I'm getting my car cleaned, all the inside clean and detailed, because man, it is really dirty. Dropping it off at one of my mates' place that's a detailer. Also, do you guys know that TJ Hunt bought a 370Z? Because I'm excited for that.